all of these artists is Vybz Kartel student.
A few moments later.
No, serious. The dog up on one little show for Alkaline. One little show for Alkaline, you know. And now him find time for this Vybz Kartel.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Just like when Eddie G Bomber or whatever I mean, go up on the platform when him do the interview and the man say, yo, you can't breathe without a Vybz Kartel. You
Batty boy!
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How are the latest news them?
People are going, I don't know what Media Fox on up, you know. Yeah, man, you know things set up people. We say elders skip forward out, you know. A bag of thing. But me see the little thing where them say, yo, Silkboss, this Vybz Kartel and a bag of thing. And me I see it and I say, yo, Silkboss, bro. Sometimes you have to give some man some energy, bro. Like, you don't know. As a young youth, you have to just focus on your career, dog. You see me? Just focus on your career, my G. You're young. You waste your time do what you do, my G. You understand that now going to really get you where you know the things set already and the system thing and all of them little things. You see me? Just focus, you don't have to pay the certain thing, no, my G. Just focus on your brand and them little things. You see me? But we're going with that brother, I say people.
every day above ground is a blessing, chat. Always remember that. So, chat. So, I go over one part over there, so we call Instagram, see? And I see one page put up Silkboss at this Vybz Kartel. And I laugh, you know? I swear I laugh. I go over one part over there, so name Instagram. And I see one page put up Silkboss. And Silkboss I do acapella. And the acapella I disrespect Vybz Kartel. And when I saw that video, I laugh. You know why I laugh? I laugh in the sense because, for one, these artists were at this Vybz Kartel, see? These same artists were set them at this Vybz Kartel, see? Them live in a Vybz Kartel style, see? Trust me, them live in a Vybz Kartel style.
Alright, people, I want to listen and hear the style, because it come like, why Vybz Kartel no copyright them style? Yeah? Hey, people, why I'm not copyright, trademark or something? Copyright it. Is it? Because every artist what we see emerge in a dancehall, yo, cartel style, this. Every artist, I say, wait, a cartel alone exists in a dancehall? You don't have other artists. Why a cartel? Every artist have to follow. I don't understand this now, dog. So you tell me say no other artists don't look up to other artists in a dancehall? Brother, you don't just want to put one man against a whole genre. If you say whole genre or artist are living in this man style. Bro, just brother, I'm obsessed with the youth them, you know. Me I tell you no, my G. You see me?
When I saw that video with Silkboss at this Vybz Kartel, first thing first, you look on a Silkboss, you see Vybz Kartel student. Serious.
People, when you look on Silkboss, brother, Silkboss is a total different youth from Vybz Kartel, brother. Me never saw no use Vybz Kartel son them and compare right as a son them with him, you know. You know always I use some people where I know Vybz Kartel son. So you go tell me say Silkboss look like Vybz Kartel, my G? Kartel are one black man, Silkboss are one brown youth, fair color youth. You understand? So me no know. I must say back in the days of bleach, Kartel bleach. You see me? Yeah, man, but listen to my people.
You look on a Silkboss, you see Vybz Kartel student. Number one, in bleach. Number two, tattoo. Number three, him put braid in him here. You see what I go? Listen, man. Him put braid in him here. The next thing we need to look for, we look if him have braces in his mouth. But we couldn't see it so good to see if him have braces on him teeth.
Yo. Yo, I don't know. I tell you people, them guys are man, dog. Them need mental checkup. I tell you. The man say bleach. The man a bleach. Unna know Silkboss, me G. Then the man I say braces. Then the man I say tattoo. See I tell me say a cartel like first artist in a world fi put in braces, brother. Look how long people are putting in braces, me G. Yo, man, I tell you, everything we cartel do, all when much people do it already, man, and me cartel copyright it to bombard. So anybody else do it a cartel. Dog, me tell you already, dog. Una really sick. Me I tell you, una sick, me G.
Number 5. Or me there, whatever, number me there. Him sound like Vybz Kartel. Pan the rhythm where him depend, him sound exactly like Vybz Kartel. So me just try to show you, say. Him patternized Vybz Kartel. Look like a Vybz Kartel. Or, no. Him wanna look like a Vybz Kartel slash.
Yo, people, him want a simile in this to bombard. Now this a story, I tell you.
Want to be a Vybz Kartel. But at the same time, him a diss the man where him a patronize, where him a copy. You can't make this thing out. You can't make this thing out, bro. You can't make this thing. Yo, you see, as I saw the website, and me see Silkboss, when me start listening to the radio, him sound like a old Vybz Kartel. Him sound like old Vybz Kartel. You know, one of old Vybz Kartel style, because Vybz Kartel have many styles, you know. So him sound like one of Vybz Kartel old style, when back in ideas. I say to myself, boy, him at this Vybz Kartel in a Vybz Kartel style. You can't make this thing up. Eh? You can't make this. And this is why I tell you, brethren. All of these artists is Vybz Kartel student. Just like when Eddie G.
People, listen to this.
Or whatever I mean. Go up on the platform when him do the interview and the man I say, yo, you can't breathe without a Vybz Kartel. You know, get some farmer thing from Vybz Kartel.
Bro. You not hearing yourself what not talk, brother? What you mean say the man them can't breathe because of Vybz? How they bombard this dog? You know say that youth here take some crack, elder skip. Something wrong with him, you know. Something really wrong with the dog. Me I tell you. It's like him a talk, but him brain just a jump in a head. Him don't know where him a say. Why for that, brother? Where you get that the argument there from? But people, you what go on.
From that generation there. Come on, man. Eh? You can't get some inspiration in another generation there. If you not say Vybz Kartel. Every little thing where artists have done in another generation, yeah, them get a touch of Vybz Kartel.
People, you don't realize a man sound like a fish. The man say touch by Vybz Kartel. Bro, correct on a statement, brother. It's like when you talk in a sheep mode and not realize. Jaja.
They are all Vybz Kartel student. The whole of them. Suppose a man take him time out and try to build him career. See? Build him catalog. Him find time at this Vybz Kartel? No. You can't make everything up. This show you how... Nah, that's stupid. This show you how not creative these artists are. No, serious. The dog up on one little show for Alkaline. One little show for Alkaline, you know. And now him a find time for this Vybz Kartel. Can you believe that? Eh? The dog, and you know, say he's a talented artist. Silkboss is a very much talented artist. I want him to reach far enough, but he cannot be so naive, brethren. Eh? He can't be so naive, brethren. No.
So, what you try to say? Should him go up on Alkaline show, make him a diss Kartel? Because from me know Silkboss, me never see him act or say nothing about a cartel thing. You understand? You see me all before him when him first saw out and say yo Alkaline him Ray from the get go. You see me? So I know when him go for Alkaline show, him been and say Alka from before Alkaline put him on him show. You understand? But as me say people, Silkboss do that a film thing. Him do him one. You see me? Artist this artist and but me would have said brother, it don't even make any sense, me G. You see me? It don't make no sense. You have to just focus on your work, dog. Although I think him sing a song, a cappella song, when he must say, yo, some brief thing and all of them little thing that we Kartel that do. And I say Kartel like fall off or something like so. You see me? In a robe and a bag of thing. But more have to say, yo, Silkboss, just do your thing, bro, and just build your thing, your music career and all of them things, brother. And stop. You see me? Sometimes you can just focus, dog, and just do your thing. You see it? You don't have to give certain people no attention, my G. You see me? Because at the end of the day, that's how Alkaline reach far in the business, you know. The man just do him thing. You see me? If nobody run out and him feel like a step on them, him just step on them. But much people are call Alkaline him and the youth just a focus on the music. Him not pay them no mind. That's how him growing. You know? You understand? Him not give him energy to them and waste him energy to them. You see me? I just one of them things. The Silkboss young. Him boss where there. Him for just focus so him can get a longevity in the next 10 years, 15 years. You see me? Yeah, man.
Him can't be so naive. Try to build your catalog, no man. Try. Me no know. I can't understand. Me don't understand. Eh? Try to build a catalog now, youth. Try to build a catalog. I was shocked when I go over there. You know, it's not the first him throw a word from Vibes Kartel. It's not the first. It's not the first him throw a word from Vibes Kartel. I mean, I said to myself, say, yo, Vibes Kartel don't see not one of these artists. No. Vibes Kartel good not even know say Silkboss exists. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Vibes Kartel good not even know say Silkboss exists, Bridget. Meaning in the fact that him just not focus where Silkboss is. Him a focus on his music, his health, his family, and just getting richer. No, serious. Eh? And just getting richer. And all of these people. It does not add up, you know? It does not add up. It does not add up. It does not add up, Bridget. It not add up. The man come out and say him don't want no animosity with nobody. He might come, he might live with love. Love him I live with. And these people that find time at this man. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. As me tell you, Silkboss a good artist, you know? Good artist. But him just a put heat on himself. You know, he gonna just create a division where the fans are included. You know what I say? Because right now when Gaza fans them see that, them not gonna like him. You know? And that could kind of put a damp on his music.
And that's why I tell them youth, brother. Just focus on the career, my G. If you rate an artist and you see an artist no link, just don't get involved, my G. Just do your music. You see me? You not have to ray off an artist or whatsoever. Just do your music, my G. You see me? Yeah, sometimes you not have to give the same energy and a bag of thing. You see, just stay focused. Like that, the young artists them for just do, just focus on a career and building a brand, my G. You see me, car? You know, the black ball and the thing go already when you're young, so it easy. You see me? Yeah, man. So you can respect an artist, seeing, but you don't have to choose the artist and the artist not agree. You don't have to get involved or try to do something already. You see me? But sometimes, dog, when I just read the room and say, yo, I just the music, dog. You see me? Sometimes if you just put yourself in some hot water, you see me, and then sometimes, brother, when you know the fight and the thing with the system, them and everything, sometimes you don't have to give no attention to that, dog. Just build on the music and focus on the music. You see me? Yeah, and the cloud thing, it not gonna make no sense. You see me? Yeah, bro. Now, and if the finance and say, yo, Alkaline can't diss anybody, you know. But him not really do it. 99% of people diss Alkaline. And him not to diss up some of them. Him could have do it because why? The youth have him own system, him have him own vendetta people them with their fame. You understand? Him have him big brand, new rules. So if everybody against him and then want to book him, the youth have him own show, can keep him own show and book artists and whatsoever. Him good, him can do what and say what he want to say, but him still not do it. So uno for forward now and just build on the thing. You see me? Yeah, bro.
Look on Valiant, see? Look on Valiant. Who would you say hate Valiant? Nobody not hate Valiant, Bridget. The only person might hate Valiant is the artist them. But no fans hate a Valiant. No.
I lie, I tell. That me I tell you. But the Valiant and the unruly people them not 200, so I don't know what you talk about me, G. Valiant are enough people you know rate Valiant, brother. You just you know in the street and know what go on. Or it's not a big deal, but there are people out there, brother, with fans out there and rate Valiant, so I don't know what you talk about.
No fans at all. But just give you an example of an artist, like a Valiant. No fans do not hate Valiant because the man just chat the right lane. The man just had the music. You get me I say? No controversy. No. The man just chat the right lane. So every single fan base can listen to a Valiant. Everyone. Yeah?
People, you know, so I see that video there with Valiant and the church thing. And I say, oh, Jaja, we Valiant. You know when you come to church and them look at thing there in Jamaica, brother. Yo, we have much church in Jamaica, dog. But most of the people that might come after him in a dog. But yo, sometimes, brother, when I see the fire and I still walk in it, my G. Because sometimes when I see a thing and things are alright, I do a controversy, it go good enough. I know everything work, my G. You see me? Because when you look at the place, you know I want church. Because the thing block off up at the top there, son. Brother, I'm not going to buy no church bench and all of them things, my G. You see me? But sometimes we have to just know one of the dog. Nothing wrong with doing a video in our church, you know, but you have to just reflect what going on in our church. You see me? That's my opinion. Just reflect what going on in our church. You see it? Because like, me see Shaggy doing at the church, every little thing, but them reflect everything what are going on in our church. But why, you know, them there lyrics say where dog a job to bombard. Yo, and how a girl them dress up in there and them look at thing them I said, Jaja Valiant. Probably me I put yourself in a dog. You see me a worse. Me know enough people look up to Valiant and thing, but Jaja youth. You see me, but a good artist see me, Valiant a good artist, boy talented, but boy sometimes that gonna have to just, you know, you can see the fire and think before you do things. You see me, you can do it, but think and do something more, you know? Yeah, bro. You see it.
No, there's no fan base I go say, I don't want to listen to boy. None. I tell you, not one fan base is going to say, I don't want to listen to Valiant. No, the man just a chat the right lane. And this is why I tell you, say, Valiant is a danger. Yeah, man. Bad artist. Bad artist. He's in my top 5. He's definitely in
Yeah, man.
artists where I run the place. Right now. Right now in I space a dancer. Right now. Yeah, Valiant. But my top 5. Either my top 5. Yeah. Yeah. If he's not in your top 5, that's okay. He's definitely in my top 5. You get me? So Silkboss, try to find yourself, brother. Find yourself, bro. Because you're a good artist, you're a bad artist. Find yourself and stop through a word on Vibes Kartel, brethren, because you favor Vibes Kartel. yo. When I say you favor Vibes Kartel, meaning you're living a Vibes Kartel style, brother. You're living the teacher style. So, if you're living a man style and not this, man. Eh?
People, I want to know, because I don't see it. Something there, Silkboss are living a Vibes Kartel style, because I don't know. Me no see it. So what do you think in the comments? Because me don't know where them guys are my dog. Everybody then say I live in a cartel style to bombard. So wait, a cartel invent styles? Or what?
When a theme style, you're inner, you go braid. You bleach out. You tattoo, virgin.
So wait, the people don't even know tell me say a Vice Cartel make people put on tattoo. Tattoo not some ancient days thing I put on tattoo for years now. Yo, Jano dog, but I saw you sheep them stay now. Them not really know better. You see me as Cartel tell them jump. Is it?
Come on, man. All I want is a student of the teacher. Energy, but I'm telling you, you know, wake up and breathe, inhale and exhale. A Vibes Kartel and inhale and exhale.
Yo, people, get elder skip some medicine there. Cause brother, I alone I do when I do with Cartel, brother. The man say inhale and exhale Cartel. Yo, burn off. Bro, wanna get an argument from me, G? Want to them money, man? Jaja youth, me I tell you no dangerous, bro. If you go one side.
Yo, I don't want to say it, but it's the truth. It's the truth, brethren. It's the truth. But guess what? Every day above ground.
Well, people, big up on yourself, you know, I don't know. I want me the facts for you, you know. Me I tell people, I be a craziness and madness I go on a dancer right now, dog. Like, we need to focus on the music, dog. The music, my G. I can't bother with the crazy thing, my dog. You see me? The crazy thing. You see me? Right now, Alkaline say the girls them Alkaline say right now. You see it? I'm telling you, the girls them Alkaline say right now, people. Check out that video there. Stream it on YouTube and buy it, Spotify, everything. Amazon. You see me? Yeah, iTunes. You don't know. Alright, I'll go drop a video yesterday. Alright, bad. Girl in the night. Clean. You see me? So, yeah, man, people. You don't know. Big up on yourself when you don't know one media fax pan app. No other. That is it.